And right now, because of Trump's big ugly bill, more than 100 hospitals and clinics have shut down or eliminated critical services. Maybe some friends don't think shutting down hospitals is a big deal, but it is a big deal. For example, someone is having a brain bleed. Since the nearest hospital has closed, it will take more than an hour to get to the hospital. But my friends, a brain bleed, if not treated quickly, it can lead to permanent brain damage or death. Yeah, it's a life-threatening medical emergency.